Hi, in this video, I'm just going to show you how to work out some of the number questions. They are quite popular with the GCSE level exam and 11 plus exam as well, and also Key Stage 2 and Key Stage 3 exams as well. So I'm just going to write the question for you. For example, is 4 power 3 times 3 power 4 plus 3 power 3. And we have to work them out. What it is, most of the students, what they do is just start, they time them. 4 times 3. It's not 4 times 3. 4 power 3 means 4 times 4 times 4. So please remember, 4 power 3 does not mean 4 times 3. It is 4 power times 4 times 4. And then we put time sign. And then 3 times 4 is 3 power 4 does not mean 3 times 4. It is 3 times 3 times 3 and then times 3. So we can put this one in the small bracket and then 3 power 3. It means 3 times 3 times 3. Now we can work them out. Okay, 4 times 4 is 16 and 16 times 4 is 64. And then there's a time sign and then there's bracket. Now we have to work this out. 3 times 3 is 9. 9 times 3 is 27. 27 times 3 is 81. And then plus 3 times 3 is 9. 9 times 3 is 27. Now we work out the bracket first. So we'll keep 64 as it is and then work out what is inside the bracket. 81 plus 7, 27. So when we add them, we get 7 plus 1 is 8. And 8 plus 2 is 10. So we can work it out this way without even using the calculator or without. So then we need to add them. So times them. 64 times 108. So once we work them out, 64 times 108, it will be, I'm just going to work it out, 108 times 64. You just multiply them normally. So your answer will be 6,912. 6,912. This will be your answer. Now I'm going to do another question here on this side, just to make sure you understand it. The second question is 5 power 3 minus 5 power 2, and then there's a time sign, 6 power 3, and then minus 2 power 4. And this is inside the bracket. Sorry, I'm just gonna change it a little bit. So this is going to be 5 power 3. The 3 which I wrote previously, that was not clear. Okay, 5 power 3. 5 power 3 means 5 times 5 times 5. We know that 5 times 5 is 25. 25 times 5 is 125. 5 power 2 means 5 times 5, which is 25. So we write this one inside the bracket and then times 6 power 3. 6 power 3 means 6 times 6 times 6. 6 times 6 is 36. And when we multiply 36 with 6, we get 216. Minus 2 power 4. 2 power 4 means 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, 4 times. So when we work them out, it will be 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8, 8 times 2 is 16. Now we take away 25 from 125, so we get 100. And then we times it by, which is 100 is inside the bracket. And then take away 16 from 216, we get 200. Now we multiply them. 200 times 100 is to 20,000. And this will be for our final answer. Now I'm going to do one more question for you just to just to finish off with this topic. So I can draw I can draw a line here, and then I can do another question here on this side. Right. So here, for example, the question is, I can just choose any question. For example, 5 power 3 power 3, and then divided by 2 power 7. So remember, this time the sign is divided by, minus 2 power 5. Right? So remember divide. So divide we can write like this as well. Divide, but 3 power 3 means 3 times 3 times 3. Okay, can you see this is divided? So easiest way is we can do it like this, underneath, divide. Divide means underneath this line. So 2 power 7. When you work out 2 power 7, it will be 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 2 power 7 means 2 power 7 like this. And then we take away 2 power 5 means 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 and then times 2. So 5 times. Right? So now we work out the top one. 3 times 3 is 9 and 9 times 3 is 27. Divided by, when you work out this one, it will be 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8, 8 times 2 is 16, 16 times 2 is 32, 32 times 2 is 64, and 64 times 2 is 128. So it will be 128 minus, then we can take away this one. 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8, 8 times 2 is 16, 16 times 2 is 32. So when on the top, it will be 27. And when we take away 32, when we take away 32, 32 from 128, so it will be 96. At the bottom, it will be 96. So what we have to do is we have to divide 27 by 96. So when you can divide 27 by 96, it will be 0. 0.28. Sorry, let me write it again. 0.28125. Right? So that's it really. So this is how we do it. And if you like the video, please remember to press the subscribe button, and also press the bell icon as well. So please remember to subscribe it, because every day I'm uploading new videos. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.